Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to talk about movies using simple present tense. We'll see real movie examples and learn how to say what happens in movies. Are you ready? Let's go. Remember, simple present is how we talk about things that happen regularly or are always true. The structure is subject plus verb. For example, I watch, he watches, she watches. Let's look at some movie examples. Let's describe The Lion King. Simba is a young lion. He lives with his family in Africa. His father is the king. One day, something bad happens. His uncle wants to be king. Simba runs away. Later, he returns and fights his uncle. Simba becomes the new king. That's the plot. Now let's talk about Frozen. Elsa has special ice powers. Her sister Anna loves her very much. One day, Elsa runs away and creates a big ice storm. Anna goes to find Elsa. Elsa doesn't want to hurt Anna, but she does. Anna's heart freezes. Elsa learns to control her powers with love. Anna's heart melts. The sisters are happy together again. Now it's your turn. Think about your favorite movie. Use simple present to describe it. Say, what is the main character's name? What does he or she do? What happens in the movie? Does it have a happy ending? Pause the video and write or say your answers. Then watch the next video to see more examples.